All right, let's get this design review done. I'm gonna show you the overview too and demo and everything, and a walkthrough of this new AI tool. And before I do that, like this video, subscribe, keep posting videos every day, and I'm very active about this. And yeah, design, what this is about, what it's not. So basically, this is an app. Okay, it's a AI app, 9-in-1 AI app. Is brand new AI app, and the creator of this AI app, he has multiple products like that, and they sell tons of these apps. And right now, it's one of the best selling AI apps on the market. And basically, it lets you design all kinds of designs, AI designs, and you don't need to use Photoshop or MidJourney, which costs money, right? So this is a very good option using AI, and it's just a low time payment of so it depends, it changes the prices and all that, but it's just one time payment, and you can come here on the link in the description and you can get started with that. Now you can go through the sales page right there, also right below, and see what it does. But I'm gonna show you right now the walkthrough of this AI app. And the cool thing about this too is that it has a marketplace, where it's right here, and you can sell your designs on their marketplace with thousands of instant buyers, which is pretty cool. And the seller, the vendor, and the creator of this type of apps, he's always building this marketplace, which is cool. I think you could make some extra money right there. And there's tons of buyers on the marketplace, and over 2,000 pre-made AI templates with 330,000 plus hot. And you can do anything you like with these designs. You can also go to like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com and charge people and businesses to create designs for them with this very easy to use AI app. And then on top of that, you can also monetize it on the marketplace. So it's cool. It's a cool way to make some extra money. And it's just one-time payment, very cool. And I'm gonna show you right now how it works. And if you like it, you can purchase it right below at a very, very low price. And then I'm gonna show you a good way to save a few bucks here. If you try to leave the page, where is it? Well, it's gonna right here add a 1K a day AI design marketplace. You can add something here with faster server, VIP support, and all that. And then also, if you try to leave the page, it's gonna give you an extra discount. So yeah. And then you can sign up right here as well. Claim the never seen before 9-in-1. Oh, thank you, babe. Some water here. Open it. Like, hello,
no, I need you to open the top.
Oh, my girlfriend is asking me to open. There you go.
Thanks, babe.
I got you. And yeah, all the resources are right below in the description. I recommend it. If you want a very high quality AI app that designs really cool designs and everything, creates really good designs, you can make some money with this. And the vendor, I work a lot with this vendor, and the creator of this app, he has tons of apps that they do really, really good on the marketplace and everything. So yeah, check out the walkthrough video and then click on the link below if you wanna check it out. And then I also have more resources right below about how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, and really cool other AI tools and AI apps to make money online, and so you can live the remote lifestyle and live the life that you want, wherever you want. Like and subscribe, and check out my other videos too. Take care.